I say I don't do many card tricks, but this is kind of technically another one. I've got this thing here. It's a little bag. Now inside, if you use your imagination, you can see that there's a pack of cards. Can anyone tell me what colour the pack of cards is?
White.
No, it's red.
Oh.
Look. Look, I'll throw the cards here. Look. Yeah, I want you to take these cards, okay? And I'll shuffle them. Mum, I'm going to take them out the box first. Okay? So you're filling them? Yeah? Shuffled?
Yep.
Now what I want you to do is I want you to take one card out. Got it? Look at the card. Remember it? You got the card? Now what I want you to do is I want you to turn it face up and put it into the face down deck. So it's the only card turned over. Okay? You get it? Now throw the cards back at me.
I'll put it back in the box.
Yeah, put it back in the box. Or they're going to go everywhere. Got it. Now, if I take the pack of cards, you shuffled these. You could have picked any card, but you picked one card. What card was that?
3 diamonds.
The 3 of diamonds. Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's the card you wanted? Okay. Let me take the cards. Now the thing is, in this whole pack of cards, there's actually only there's one card that's turned over, and that's that one right near the end. Now you can pick any card. 3 of diamonds. There's one card turned over. The 3 of diamonds.